How to migrate IMAP email to Google Workspace. Do you want to migrate your IMAP emails to your Google Workspace account? Introducing Regain IMAP to Google Workspace Migration Tool, the one-stop solution for migrating email data from any IMAP using email clients or servers. To install this software on your device, just go to Google and search for Regain IMAP to Google Workspace Migration Tool. Once the Google search results appear, scroll down and open this website. This is our official website. From here you can buy our software or try out the free trial. To download the free trial of this software, simply click on the free download button. Once the software file is successfully downloaded, right-click on it and select Run as Administrator. In the installation wizard, simply follow a few on-screen prompts, and the software will be successfully installed on your device. This is how you can install the software on your device. Now let's run it and see how the IMAP to Google Workspace migration works. This is the dashboard of this software. Here first you will need to log into your IMAP account. For that, click on the Login button. Here you have the option to log into multiple IMAP email accounts or IMAP servers. You can log into Gmail or G Suite, Yahoo Mail, Yandex Mail, Rediff Mail, Zoho Mail, GoDaddy, Outlook or MSN or Hotmail, Hosting or Webmail, IMAP, or other accounts. For this tutorial, let's connect the Yahoo Mail account. So first select Yahoo Mail. Enter your Yahoo Mail email address. Enter the password of your Yahoo Mail account, and then click on the Login button. Once the login is successful, all the folders of your Yahoo Mail account will be available here. If you want to cancel the login, simply click on the Logout option. Again, by following the same procedure, you can log into your targeted account. After that, at the right panel, select the Mailbox Export Backup tab. Then click on the IMAP option. Here, same as before, you can log into any IMAP accounts or IMAP servers. As our target is Google Workspace Migration, let's select the Gmail or G Suite option. Now enter the email address and password of your Google Workspace account, and then click on the Login button. Finally, click on the Start Backup Process button. As a result, the migration process will be started, and according to your mailbox size, it may take a few seconds to complete the migration. Once the migration is completed, you will see this message: File conversion process has been completed. So this way you can migrate any of your IMAP mailboxes to your Google Workspace account. Besides the IMAP to Google Workspace migration, this software offers IMAP to Office 365 migration, exporting IMAP emails into multiple formats and many more features. Let's check them out one by one. IMAP to Office 365 migration. Here select the O365 option. Here to log into your Office 365 account, two methods are available: basic authentication and multi-factor authentication. In basic authentication, simply enter the necessary credentials of your Office 365 account and click on the Login Now button. In today's tutorial, I'll continue with the multi-factor authentication. So first, let's click on the Login Now button. Here, enter your Office 365 email address and click on the Next button. Enter the password of your Office 365 account and click on the Sign In button. If you have enabled the two-step verification or connected an authenticator app, then enter the verification code and click on the Verify button. Finally, click on the Start Backup Process button. As a result, the migration will be started. According to your mailbox size and internet speed, it may take a few moments to complete the migration. You will see this message when the migration is completed. Exporting IMAP mailbox into multiple formats. Here under the Mailbox Export Backup tab, you have the option to export your IMAP mailbox into PST, EML, EMLX, MBOX, MSG, HTML, and PDF format. For this tutorial, let's select the PST format. After that, click on the Browse button. Select the destination where you want to save the output PST file and click on the OK button. Finally, click on the Start Backup Process button. As a result, the export process will be started, and once it's done, the output PST file will be saved on your local device. Importing PST, MBOX, and EML files into IMAP account. Here, select the Mailbox Import Migration tab. You can see there are two buttons. One is Upload Outlook file, and other is Upload MBOX and EML file. By clicking on the Upload Outlook file button, you can import Outlook PST files to the connected IMAP email account. And by clicking on the Upload MBOX and EML file button, you can import MBOX and EML files. That's all the features of our Regain IMAP to Google Workspace Migration Tool.